Good morning, class. We are back for math today. I'm going to start us off with subitizing, just like we always do, and then we'll go to our number recognition. All right, so first things first, I want you to either match the picture or put up the number of fingers that you see items on the screen, and then we'll shout it out together, okay? So you should be matching the picture and telling me, how many do you see now? 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Let's go to the next one. Put your fingers up first and then we'll shout it out together. How many do you see? 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Let's try another one. Put your fingers up and match the picture. How many do you see? 2. I see 2 as well. Very good. How about now? How many do you see? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put your fingers up. How many? 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 1 less than 10. Very good. Let's do a couple more. How many do you see? 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. How about now? This one should be quick. 5. Last one. Count those dots and put your finger up to match it. 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent, class. Let me share my screen so we can go ahead and continue learning. Great job on subitizing. All right, now we are going to pause our video. Make sure you get out your notebook or your whiteboard or anything that you can write on. And I want you to write numbers at least 1 to 10. Here's a guideline if you need help where to start. 1 in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want you to write all of the numbers up to 10. If you want to keep going beyond 10, you may do so. After 10 comes 11. That's 2 ones together. If you need help writing or remembering which way the numbers go or what they look like, that's okay. You can watch our ping pong video on the YouTube channel, okay? And it will help you remember how to write those numbers, all right? So pause the video and meet me back for number recognition after you write those numbers down. Welcome back for number recognition. I hope you wrote all those numbers down and keep practice writing your numbers at home so you're ready for next year, okay? So let's go ahead and do some number recognition. Same way we do letters. When I point to the bottom of the number, shout it out really loud and proud. What number is it, okay? I know y'all know them. We practice this in class all the time. Ready? Go. 5, 6, 3. Very good. Keep it up loud. 1, 2, 4, 0, 9, 10, 8, keep going, 20, 15, 18, 11, 7. Very good, class. You are getting very, very good at that. All right, let's do some shapes. These are 2D shapes, which means they are flat. They cannot be seen from all sides. They can be drawn on paper. They are 2D. They are flat shapes. All right. What is this flat shape right here? A square. How many sides does a square have? 4. Are they equal sides? Are they the same length? Yes, look, they're all the same size and there are 4 of them. What is this one right here? What shape? Triangle. How many sides does a triangle have? 1, 2, 3. Very good. What is this one right here? A diamond. How about this one? Circle. How about this one? Hexagon. How many sides does a hexagon have? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can remember that because 6 has a x at the end of it, and hexagon also has a sound x in it. Hexagon. You can remember that hexagon has 6 sides. Very good. What about this one right here? Oval. And our last flat shape is a rectangle. Very good. How many sides does a rectangle have? 4 sides. But wait, so does a square. How do we tell the difference between a square and a rectangle? Somebody tell me. How do we see the difference? Oh, one has unequal sides. Which one has unequal sides, the square or the rectangle? The rectangle, because the sides are different lengths. Look, we have one short side, two short sides. Is this a short side right here? No, it's a long side and a long side. We have two short and two long. 2 and 2 makes 4, but they're not all the same length. Very good. Let's move on to our 3D shapes, our solid shapes. These ones you can play with in your hands. You can roll them across the floor. You can build stuff on them because they are 3D and they are solid. What is this one right here, this light blue one? A cone. Good, just like an ice cream cone. What is this one? A pyramid. Very good. How about this one? A prism. Excellent. What is this one? A cube. Say that one again. Cube. Awesome. How about this one? Orange cylinder. This is a cylinder. If you're drinking out of a can of soda or a water bottle, you are drinking out of a cylinder-shaped thing. What about this one? It's not a circle because we're in the 3D shapes or the solid shapes. It's a sphere. Excellent job. All right, let's go to some practice problems. This says, which fruit look at our sight word, comes before the apple. Which fruit comes before the apple? All right, look in our pattern. Grape, lemon, apple, pear, watermelon. They're asking us which fruit in this pattern comes before the apple. Where's the apple? First of all, find the apple. Point to the apple. Okay, here's the apple. So which comes right before the apple? If we were going in order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which one comes before the apple? Right before the apple is the lemon. This yellow one right here is the lemon. You should have picked lemon because it comes right before the apple. Which fruit comes right after the apple? The pear. Which fruit comes first in the pattern? Grapes. Which fruit comes last in the pattern? The watermelon. Very, very good. But the lemon comes right before the apple. Excellent. Let's do another one. This question says true or false. Your answer is going to be true or false. True means that's right, and false means that is not right. So if you pick true, that means yes, that's right. If you pick false, that means uh-oh, something's wrong. That is not right. So let's read the number sentence. I see that this is a number sentence. I can tell because it has a plus or a minus, and it also has an equal sign. Okay, so let's read the number sentence and decide that's right or that's not right. That's true or that's false. Okay, let's read it together. Go ahead. 5 plus 5 equals 9. All right, in order to figure out if this is right or wrong, we have to add up 5 plus 5 and see, does it really equal 9? Let's double check. You show me on your finger. Show me the first number we need. 5. Are we adding or taking away? Look at the number sentence. I see adding, so we're not going to take away any fingers, are we? No. We are going to add fingers. How many are we going to add? Look at the number sentence. 5 more. So here I go. Count with me as I add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I add 5 more? Yes. So together, 5 plus 5 more equals how many do I have hold up? 10. Is that what our number sentence here says? 5 plus 5 equals 10? No. This says 5 plus 5 equals 9. Is that right? No, it's not right. So should we choose true or should we choose false? True or false? Show me. True or false? I think false because 5 plus 5 is not 9. 5 plus 5 is 10. So our answer should be false because this is not right. All right, very good. Class, let's go ahead to our lesson for today. I can decompose number sentences using number bonds. Okay, I heard 2 things that we know how to do. We know number sentences. This is a number sentence right here. And we know number bonds. This is a number bond right here. And here's our picture that's going to help us out, okay? So we're going to do some subtraction or some taking away using a picture, a number sentence, and a number bond, okay? All right, so let's read the question. It's the first thing you always have to do. Cross, cross out 5 dots. Cross out 5 dots. Okay, so we need to do what they say. Let's go ahead and cross out 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I just crossed out 5 dots. And it left us with how many left? 2. I know, based on our number sentence, how many we started with. I crossed all them out and now, I can't see how many dots to begin with. How many did we start with? Oh, but look, on the number sentence, our very first number tells me how many we had to start. How many did we have to start? 7 dots. And then we took away or crossed out how many? 5. Check, we did that. We started with 7 and we took away 5. But now, how many are left? 7 take away 5 equals how many? Let's look at our picture. How many are left? 2. Very good. I'm going to go ahead and write 2 into my answer. 7 take away 5 equals 2. Now that we have our number sentence, we can just so easily make our number bond. And I already see 2 numbers on our number bond that'll help us find out the last number that we need, okay? So we already have 7. We know 7 was the whole. There was a total of 7 dots to begin with. And how many did we take away? 5. So we had 7. We took away 5. And how many did that give us at the end? You know the answer is right here in our number sentence. 2, exactly right. So we can read this like this. 7 take away 5 equals 2. Or we can do 5 plus 2 equals 7, right? Because if we have 5 red dots, 5 red X's, plus 2 black dots, how many total things is that? 7. Part plus part equals whole. Or whole take away part equals part. Very good. Let's try another example. We are starting out with 7 again. Our number sentence tells us the first number is what we're starting with. 5, 6, 7. Okay, I see 7 dots. We're starting with 7. Our problem tells us cross out 4 dots. I can also see over here that it's 7 and it's asking us to take away 4 dots. So what should my next step be? Cross out 4 dots. Okay, here we go. So 1, 2. Is that enough? No. 3. One more. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I crossed out how many dots? 4. Very good. So we had 7. We took away 4 by crossing them out. And now look at our picture. How many are left? We have to find the answer. How many are left? 3. 1, 2, 3 that are still left and not crossed out. So I'm going to put 3 in our answer. 7 take away 4 equals 3. Very good. All right. So our number bond, 7 take away 4 equals 3. Very good. I would like for you to try this one on your own. Starting with 7, take away 2 dots and find the answer. Pause your video right here so you can do it on your own. When you are back, your number sentence should look like this. 7 take away 1, 2 equals 5. And your number bond, look, should have a 5 in it as well to reflect that. Very, very good class. If you are done, you may go ahead and do Math Center's education.com happy numbers, number writing, use your manipulatives that you have to make number sentences and number bonds. And if you have this worksheet book, go ahead and do 1 or 2 pages. I will see you later. I will see you tomorrow for more lessons. Bye, class.